Today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make hair bonnet. You can see one on my head, but this is the one we are going to learn how to make. That one you can wear it with 2 tones, and I made it with satin. You can wear it with sleeve. You can rock it out if you like. So you can see if you make very long hair like mine, you can do it. You can see how mine is looking. This is one side. I can as well rock it the other way. So if you like this tutorial, don't give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Thank you. Now this is the fabric I'm going to use for this hair bonnet. Actually, I'm using 2 fabrics for the hair bonnet. So I will use this and use this as the facing. So you can wear it anyhow you like. So now to start with, I folded my fabric into 4. 1, 2, then into 4. But just ensure that the joint part is folding this way. So the hair bonnet is going to be in form of play. So I'm not going to use this other side because I don't want this pattern to show on my hair bonnet. And I will measure. It depends on how big you want your hair bonnet to be. So the size of the one I'm wearing now is going to be 15 inches. I'll measure 15 inches. This is 15 inches. Then I'll go around with my 15 inches. So to start that, to do that, I will need my paper pin just to hold down my paper. This is the 15 inches down. Use my paper pin to hold down the paper. So I'll just be taking it round, just like you're using compass. Go around. And I'll cut it out. Just like when you're cutting 360-degree plate. And I will do likewise for the other fabric. Now I've cut out the other fabric. I will notch the middle part on both sides. I'll do likewise with the down part. Then because I want it to have this rough edge, this rough is here. So I'll measure 3 inches. The 3 inches is for the sewing allowance at the tip. That's half inch. Then the 2.5 be for this side. And I will measure another half from where the rubber will be, because there is elastic at the middle part of it. That's why it can stretch like this. So let me go. I will chalk it round so as not to make mistake while sewing. The 3 inches, I'm going around with the 3 inches first. after that, the half inch from where the rubber will stay. Since I'm using a small rubber, connect everything. So you leave small open. That's where you pass your rubber inside. Now I've sewn it round. See the small opening. That's where I'll use to bring out to turn it outside. Then I can as well fix in my rubber to that place. Now I've ironed it. You can see how neatly it is now. You need to iron your fabric anytime you are sewing. This is a good finishing. Now this is the opening I said we will leave. So I will still leave the opening here too, where I want to sew now, because I'm still going to sew it from where I chopped earlier. So I will leave small opening here. That's where I will fasten my rubber. Now I've sewn it round. It remains the other half inch where the rubber will stick in. Then this one you sew everything round. You are not leaving any opening in this one. Now I've sewn that side. You can see there's opening here, but I joined this part with the opening here. So now to fix my rubber, I'll measure 15 inches. The length of the rubber I'm going to use is 15 inches. I don't want it to be too loose, 15 inches. So I'll fix it inside. So when passing the rubber inside, I use my pin to secure my rubber so that it won't run inside. Now I will remove my pin and tie the two together. The mouth of the rubber, I'll tie it together just to give it a small knot so that it will loose. See? To ensure it's very tight, very, very tight. Loose like this. Can see. Now the next thing to do is to lock all the openings that you have here.